How to reset player progression in eFootball mobile. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can reset player progression in eFootball mobile. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to reset a player progression in eFootball mobile, we want to open up eFootball, go to our team and game plan or our player list. Now in order to reset it, let's say I have trained a certain player the way I want and maybe I want to reset it. I just have to select that player first. Then after I select that player, I can go to the option that says player progression right here. Now these are all of the automatically allocated progression points, and if I want to reset it, from the bottom tap on this action button. Now when you do that, you'll find this option that says reset player progression. Just select that and the player progression will be resetted back to default. If you want though, you can go ahead and then again automatically allocate all of these progression points. But to give you an idea, that is how you can reset your player progression in eFootball mobile. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.